Okay, so this morning we want to take a look at the Service Manager Control Panel truck scheduling system. There are, which is right here in the menu, SM Truck Schedules. This is the selection screen. It defaults to pick up all the locations, all the service, the order types, the current week, and to not edit the schedule, and to basically show all the entries, whether they have hours on them or not. So we're going to take a look real quickly at just viewing the schedule and not editing. In the new system, which we're looking at, all the job cost entries happen right from the schedule. So the entry of job cost hours for each order is combined with scheduling and moving jobs around on the schedule and so on. So that streamlines quite a bit of data entry for the users. But right now, let's take a quick look at just looking at the schedule. So I'm going to take the defaults. I'm not going to make any changes on my choices. I'm going to click View. I get the current week. This is dummy data, so there's no good data in here. Let me go to previous week, which I'll have more on there. Okay, well, let's take a look at one day. So here's Thursday. I have the order number here as a link. If I click this, I get the order information that we're all familiar with. I get the name of the job. I get the number of hours listed here. These are the hours that are on the job costs for this job. So there are 1.5 hours assigned to this entry. I get the order type. CS indicates commercial service. Any comments in red are comments for that schedule, for that item on the schedule. And you see in this case now I have multiple jobs scheduled on this day for this mechanic. Down the left side I get all my mechanics in alphabetical order. Left to right are my days of the week. It defaults to a week view, but you can set that to anything less than a week view. You can have a daily view, and 2 or 3 days, whatever. I can go to the previous week by clicking this link. I can go to the next week or after this one by clicking the next week link. And that is, the schedule is very straightforward. It should be very clean, very obvious to use. Works just as well on a cell phone, a tablet, iPad, any kind of computer. It's all web-based, like everything else.